Colombia just had a 6.3 magnitude earthquake. That's in South America, the country of Colombia. 6.3. Let's go back and see if there's a tsunami warning. It's pretty shallow. Did you feel it? If you live in South America, down in Colombia, I'm sure you felt it. Cumaral, Colombia. Just happened, I guess, about 1 o'clock. I don't see no tsunami warning. That's good, but that's a very powerful earthquake, y'all. That's right on the line. Villavicencio. This will probably be my last video for today. Look at all the wildfires. They got one in Florida at that plant. That's a recycling plant. I'm out near my chickens in the yard and they're making a fuss. They always do that. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all there's a 6.3 magnitude earthquake in Colombia.